This video is one in a series of videos highlighting the misconceptions students have when dealing with whole number operations. This particular video deals with an inadequate understanding of multiplication as repeated addition. Multiplication is introduced to students around class 3 as repeated addition. Somewhere down the line, however, students seem to get lost in procedural calculations and forget the real meaning of multiplication. It is very important for students to know the meaning of operations before moving on to more complicated problems. Let's look at some examples of questions that test a student's understanding of multiplication as repeated addition. The following question was asked in a detailed assessment test to students of class 3, 4 and 5. Students were asked what 6 into 8 was the same as. The correct option in this case is option B. Looking at the performance data given below, only about 48% of the students across the three classes selected the correct answer. 27% selected option D, that is 6 multiplied 8 times. This shows that students have not understood that 6 into 8 means 8 added 6 times repeatedly. They may know that 6 into 8 is 6 8 times or 8 6 times, but do not realize that the operation to be performed on the repeating number is addition and not multiplication. The following question was also given to students of class 3, 4 and 5 in a detailed assessment test. Students were asked what 100 times 7 was the same as. The correct answer in this case is option A, that is 7 added 100 times. Looking at the performance data given here, it can be seen that only 25% of the students across classes selected the correct answer. The majority of students appeared to select option B, that is 7 multiplied 100 times. It is likely that students have incorrectly grasped the concept of multiplication. Students selecting option B probably just associated the words time with the word multiply without really understanding what the question was asking for. So how do we remediate this? It is important for students to understand that multiplication is repeated addition. So for example, help students realize that 4 into 7 is 7 plus 7 plus 7 and so on 4 times. Ask them what 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 means and help them appreciate the difference between the two. Ask students to apply this understanding and see why in a multiplication table of 7, the next product is 7 more than the previous product. Ask students to find products using the notion of multiplication as repeated addition and construct multiplication tables themselves. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped.